Hare Krishna Janvi. Hare Krishna Bala Vrinda. Are you seeing the Gajendra prayers? Did you see the Gajendra prayers here?
No, Mataji, we see Gopi Geeth.
Okay, 1 second. I'll do that. Can you see?
Not yet.
Not yet, huh? We will repeat. What happened?
What is going on?
I don't know. Are you seeing? Now
Yeah, now it's
okay. We will do all the Gajendra prayers one time, and then we will do some of the revision sloka, 3-4 sloka, and then we go to the Gopi Geeth first lesson. Okay? Come, then we sit. We all together do, because this month is very nice.
Mataji first. Mataji. Hare Krishna, Mataji. Mataji, I have a question. Hare Krishna? You're on mute.
Oh, okay, tell me, Garima.
Yeah, so when I tried to go, like, I tried to join on the laptop, it said that the passcode was incorrect. Please try again. Like, I tried 3-4 times.
Oh, really? I don't think so. Anything happened. Vinita Mataji, is anything happened?
Is it 803604? Yeah, you probably put the wrong ID. No,
Sorry, Garima, did you put the ID correct? Did you put the ID correct? Sometimes ID might be also wrong. If anything is wrong, then it won't allow you to get in. Can you please close once and enter?
She already
ID
joined.
password.
She already in there.
let me from her phone.
Oh, phone.
Okay, what's to okay.
Okay, we can start. Okay, we'll. Hari Bol, Sudevi, Prahlad, Devina. Okay, we will do the one time full Gajendra prayers and some of the revision sloka, and we will go to the Gopi Geeth. Okay. Shri Gajendra Vasa Om Namo Bhagavate Tasmai Eta Chidatmakam Purushaya Vidya Paresaya Vidhimahi Yasminidam etasedam nenedam yaidam soyam Yusmat parasmat paras tam prapade soyam bhuvam Yasvatmanidam nijamayanam Vachid vihatam vachat purohitam Avidyadraksakshi upayanta dikshate Satmamulo vadumam parat paraha. 1 second.
You need to 6 o'clock and it. Everyone worship Krishna.
Kalena panchakshomitesu krishnesu lokesu palesu सर्वभूतेषु
तमस्तदासे सहनान्यधीरं यस्तस्य पारे विराजते विभु नयस्य देवर्षया पदं विदुर्यन्तु पुनाको रहति गन्तुमेरितुं यथा न तस्य स्थितिभिर्विचेष्टतो त्वरत्तयानुक्रमणा समावतु
श्रीदृक्समो यस्य पदं मङ्गलम् विमुक्तसङ्गामुनया सुसाधवा
विरन्ति लोकाविसृमनाम्बने भूतात्मभूता शरदं समेवति कापि लोकव्यसनमायाय स्वमायया तान्यातिलिमरक्षति तस्मै नमः परेशाय
प्रदीपाय साक्षिणे परमात्मने नमो विदुराय मनसश्चेतसामपि सस्वज्ञानपिलव्याय नैष्कर्म्येनाभिपस्थिता नमः कैवल्यनाथाय निर्वाणसुखसंविदे
For a walker, there's no exception. I walk 7 to 8 hours on a daily basis.
नमः शान्ताय गौराय
नमो शान्ताय घोराय मूढाय गुणधर्मिणे निर्विशेषाय साम्याय नमो ज्ञानानन्दमय च क्षेत्रज्ञानमस्तुभ्यं सर्वदक्षाय साक्षिणे पुरुषायात्ममूलाय मूलप्रकृते नमः सर्वेन्द्रियगुणदृष्टे
सर्वप्रत्यय हेतवे असतच्छायतया सदवसते नमः नमो नमस्ते किल निष्कारणाय कृतकारणाय
गुणराणि सन्दाचिदास्मकाय
प्रकाशाय
नमस्करोमि
माय बुरी करुणाय संसेन सर्वतनुर्मनसि प्रतीता प्रत्यग्दिशे भगवता आत्मात्मजप्ता गृहवित्तजनेषु शक्तैः दुष्प्रापन्नाय संगपरित्राय मुक्तात्मविसृजये परिभावाय ज्ञानात्मने भगवते
नमो ईश्वराय नेक्स्ट वन यम धर्म कामा विमुक्ति कामा
काशिशोरात्यपि देहमव्ययम् करोतु मेधावृदयो विमोक्षणम्
एकान्तिनो यस्य न काञ्चनार्थम्
आचन्ति
वै भगवत्
अत्याद्भुतां तच्चरितां सुमङ्गलम् गायन्तानन्दसमुद्रमग्नम्.
Everyone, please repeat, okay? Whoever joined this Gajendra prayers, they all should repeat, okay? Tat aksaram brahma param paresam avyaktamadhyatmikayogamyam
अतीन्द्रियं
Sendriyam
त्वमेवाति दूरम् अनन्तमाद्यं परिपूर्णमिदे यस्यात्मादयो देवा वेदलोकश्चराचर नमारूपा विभेदेन पल्व्या च कलया कृता सवितुर्गभस्तयो नेर्यन्ति संयन्ति अक्षरस्वराशिषो तथा यतोऽयं गुणसम्प्रवाहो बुद्धिर्मनकानि शरीरसर्गा सवैनदिकाश्चिदमर्त्यतेय नास्ति न जन्तुः नयं जीजीविषेणाहमिहुमूय किम् अन्तर्बहिष्टावृतये
तस्यात्मलोकाभरणस्य मोक्षम् सोऽहं विश्वासितं विश्वामविश्वं विश्ववेदसं विश्वात्मानमजं ब्रह्म प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम् योगारम्भयोगविभाविते
योगेशं तं नतोऽस्म्यहम्
नमो
नमस्तुभ्यं
नमस्तुभ्यमसाय वेगा शक्तित्रयायाखिलधिगुणाय प्रपन्नपालाय तदिन्द्रियाणानवाक्यवर्त्मने नायं वेद स्वयमात्मनं यस्यहं धियहतं तं दुरत्ययः महात्म्यं भगवन्तमितोऽस्म्यहम्. Okay, how much we have time? See. Okay, you can raise the hand and we can also do some of the I think the something is happening.
Mataji,
Yes.
can we do Bhishma Day prayers?
What prayers?
Bhishma Day prayers.
We did before. Today we are teaching Gopi Geet.
Okay.
Last-
This is Subhadra Giridhari.
Hare Krishna Subhadrani Giridhari.
Mataji, we actually didn't know because we the password didn't work. Mataji, I'm so excited.
Oh, really? So many kids they have same problem. Now it's okay. Yes.
Yes, Mataji.
Okay. From 21 we can do Sanskriti. Can you do the revision shloka? 25 to 29 we can do, and then we can go to the Gopi Geet.
Okay, Mataji. जीजीविषेणाहमिहुमूय किम् अन्तर्बहिश्चाकृतये वयोन्य इच्छामि कालेन नयस्य विप्लवस्तस्यात्मलोकवरणस्य मोक्षम् सोऽहं विश्वासिजं विश्वम् अविश्वं विश्ववेदशं विश्वात्मनं अजं ब्रह्म प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम् योगारण्डितकर्माणो हृद्योगाविभाविते योगिनो यं प्रपश्यन्ति योगेशं तं नतोऽस्म्यहम् नमो नमस्तुभ्यमशाय वेग शक्तित्रयाय किल द्विगुणाय प्रपन्नपालाय दुरन्तसक्तये कदेन्द्रियाणां मनवाप्यवर्त्मने नयं वेद स्वमात्मनं यक्षत्याहं धिया हतं तं दुर्यत्या महात्म्यं भगवन्तं मितोऽस्म्यहम्। Thank you much, Hare Krishna.
Thank you so much. Now Subhadra Giridhari, they can do. Can you do together, Subhadra Giridhari?
Okay, Mataji, can Subhadra go? Mataji, can I go, please?
Yeah, both you do together.
Okay, Mataji. Yes, Mataji. Ji Vishayana Moyake Ananda Vaishtavirtaya Ichami Kale Nayasya Viplas Tasyatmaloka Varanasya Moksham Soham Vishwasrijam Vishwam Avishwam Vishwavedasham Vishwamanam Ajam Brahma Pranatosmi Parampadam Yogarajita Karmana Hidi Yogalivavitaya Yogina Yam Prapashyanti Yogesham Tam Natosmiham Namo Namaste Kilaka Namo Namastu Vyamahashavega Shakti Tayaya Kilagi Gunaya Prapanya Palaya Duranta Shakti Kadindriyana Manavapya Varmane Nayan Vedasamamanam Yakshataram Diyahatam Tam Duratyamahatmyam Bhagavatam Mitosmyaham
Subhadra Giridhari, thank you. Now Garima, can you do?
Yes. Jivishenaham ihamuya kim antirbahishchavrittaye bhayonya ichchami kale nayasya viplavas tasyatmaloka varanasya moksham soham vishwasrijam vishwam अविश्वं विश्ववेदसं विश्वात्मानं अजं ब्रह्म
Pranatosmi param padam.
प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम् योगरन्दितकर्माणो हृदि योगविभावते योगिनो यं पश्यन्ति योगेशं तं नतोऽस्म्यहम् नमो नमस्तुभ्यमशे अशेषवेगं शक्तित्रयाय किल द्विगुणाय प्रपन्नपालाय दुरन्तशक्तये तदिन्द्रियाणां मनवाप्यवर्त्मने नयं वेद समात्मानं यच्च चक्ष्याहं धिया हतं तं दुरत्यय महात्म्यं भगवन्तम् इतोऽस्म्यहम्.
Thank you, Garima. Sudevi, can you do? Sudevi.
Yes, Mataji. जिजीविषेणाहम् इहामुया किम् अन्तर्बहिश्चावृतये वयोन्या इच्छामि कालेन यस्य विप्लवस् तस्यात्मलोकावरणस्य मोक्षम् सोऽहं विश्वं शिवं विश्वम् अविश्वं विश्ववेदसं विश्वात्मानं अजं ब्रह्म प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदं योगारम्भितकर्माणो योगाविभाविते योगिनो यं प्रपश्यन्ति योगीशां तं नतोऽस्म्यहम् नमो नमस्तुभ्यमस्तु विवेगा धीरया किल द्विगुणाय
Your turn now.
पुट्टपन्नपालाय दुरन्तशक्तये
ती तीव्र.
कतीन्द्रियाणामनव्यात्मने
Hai के वाले जो लोड ला जाओ.
Lodina, he's already in the edge. यच्चक्ताहं धिया हतं Why not? I know it's भगवन्तं नितोऽस्म्यहम्. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you so much. Now, Janvi, can you say?
जीवसेनामिममोयके मन्त्रिबहिश्चात्परे
Gritayebya.
प्रीतये वयोन्य इच्छामि कालेन यस्य विप्लवस् तस्यात्मलोके मरणश्च मोक्षम् सोऽहं विश्वासजं विश्वम् अविश्वं विश्ववेदसं विश्वात्मानं अजं ब्रह्म प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम् योगारन्धितकर्मणो योगा विभाजते योगिनो यं प्रपश्यन्ति योगेशं तं नतोऽस्म्यहम् नमो नमस्तुभ्यं शेषवेगा शक्तिर्दया किल द्विगुणाय प्रपन्नपालाय दुरन्तशक्तये कारुण्याम् अनवप्रवर्तमने नायं विलासोमतम् आत्मनम् यच्छक्तं तिहाहतं तं दुरत्यय महात्म्यं भगवन्तमितोऽस्म्यहम्.
Okay, who is there next? Devina? Yeah. Yes, Brinda, go ahead.
Madhuri, what is the first line?
Jijivisenahamihamuyakim.
Jijivasera ameyagam antarvahita Ayoni chami kalera vibhavat dadvadva
Loka Baranasya Moksham. Next. Soham Viswasrijam Viswam.
So Vishwajidam Vishwavedasam Vishwadvara Brahma Padadosmi Padam
Yogarandita Karmana.
Yoga Vivada Yogara Yoga Brahmaita Yogesham Dando Natosmiyam
Namo Namastubhyamasa.
Asa Mea Sastakarara
Kiladhi Gunaya.
Dvigunaya Papanna Palera Dura Sadaya Kat
Indriyanam Anabhapya Batmane.
Vivartade
नायं वेदा स्वम् आत्मा
न चाहं दिव्याहदां ध्रुवतामदायं भगवतम् इतोऽस्म्यहम्.
Thank you so much, Balavrinda. Now Devina.
जिजीविषेणहमिह मुह्यकीम् अन्तर्बहिश्चौरतबेययोन्य इच्छामि कालेन नयस्य विप्लवस् तस्यात्मलोकावरणस्य मोक्षम् सोऽहं विश्वसृजं विश्वम् अविश्वं विश्ववेदसं विश्वात्मानं अजं ब्रह्म प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम् योगारन्दितकर्माणो हृदि योगविभाविते योगिनो यं प्रपश्यन्ति योगेशं तं नतोऽस्म्यहम् नमो नमस्तुभ्यमसः असह्यवेग शक्तित्रय किल द्विगुणय प्रपन्नपालाय दुरन्तशक्तये कदिन्द्रियाणाम् अनवाप्य वर्त्मने नयं वेदसमात्मानं यच्छत्याहं धियाहतं तं दूरत्ययमहत्म्यं भगवन्तमितस्म्यहम्.
Thank you, Devina.
Thank you,
Anybody else?
Mataji.
Anybody else who didn't get chance?
This is Prahlad.
Okay, Prahlad, go ahead.
जिजीविषेणाहमिहमूयकेम् अन्तर्बहिश्चावृते व्ययोन्य इच्छामि कालेन नयस्य विप्लवास् तस्यात्मलोकावरणस्य मोक्षम् सोऽहं विश्वसृजं विश्वम् अविश्वं विश्ववेदसं विश्वात्मनम् अजं ब्रह्म प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम् योगारन्दितकर्माणो हृदि योगविभाविते योगिनो यं प्रपश्यन्ति योगेशं तं नतोऽस्म्यहम् नमो नमस्तुभ्यमशाय वेग शक्तित्रयखिलद्विगुणाय प्रापानपालाय दुरन्तशक्तये कदिन्द्रियाणामवनाप्यवर्त्मने नायं वेदासमात्मानं यच्छक्त्यहं धियाहतं तं दुरत्ययमहात्म्यहं भगवन्तमितोऽस्म्यहम्.
Thank you, Prahlad. Thank you, everyone. Anybody else who didn't get chance? It's almost finished. Next week also we do the revision till the time we get the Gopi Gita 2-3 sloka, 3 or 4 sloka. We'll practice. Okay. So everyone get chance. I think I will stop this and open the Gopi Gita. I want you to tell the story today. Janvi also want to say the story about Gopi Gita. Anybody wants, they can raise the hand. What is in the Gopi Gita? Before reciting the sloka, you can. Okay. Can you see the? Can you see? Can you see the slide?
No, Mataji.
Okay, one second.
No, Mataji.
Okay, I will share. No?
Yes, Mataji, you can see.
Okay. Okay, I want all of you tell small story about Gopi Gita. What do you know? Why Gopi sang this song? What is the reason? Go. You want to say here? Janvi, okay. See, I wanted to say the story, but see, all the kids gave me the idea to all the stories here. Okay,
Hare
Janvi.
Krishna, Janvi. Janvi will say the story.
Small story, everyone can share.
Can I see the story?
Can I?
Yeah,
Can
why
Janvi have the
why
story?
Gopi sang this Gopi Gita, Janvi?
So one time, so Krishna was dancing with the gopis. The gopis felt very, very, very proud. They thought that Krishna was only dancing with them, no other gopi. So they were way too proud. So since they were way too proud, Krishna got very mad. He didn't like his gopis proud. So he disappeared and went to Radharani. And Radharani was also proud. She was like, the Krishna left the gopis just to come with me. And so she became only proud because she thought that Krishna only liked her only. So Krishna didn't like that. So he disappeared and hid. And then the gopis found some footprints. And the gopis went, and following that footprints, they went to Radha. And they said, what's wrong, Radharani? And then Radharani said that Krishna left me. And then that gave them the clue that Krishna went to Radharani. And then so they all went for looking for Krishna. And while they were looking for Krishna, they were singing the Gopi Geet. And then Krishna finally came, and they told where Vishnu as Vishnu form, and they said, where is Krishna? And Krishna was very surprised. Even Vishnu form wasn't enough for them. So Radha came and asked, where is Krishna? And then Krishna couldn't handle his form. And so he became Krishna again. Then they all become, they all danced together. And that's why they sang Gopi Geet, because the gopis were looking for Krishna.
Okay, thank you. Anybody else? Anybody want to share any pastime related to the gopi before we go to the sloka?
I say the same story, but it's a little different.
Okay, you can say.
So one night,
Garima.
Krishna was playing his flute, and then he was playing the gopis' flute, and then the gopis and Radharani, they heard that Krishna was playing the flute. So whatever they were doing, they left what they were doing, and they went to Krishna. And then Krishna was acting like he did not know them. Like he asked that, why are you all here? So the gopi said that you called us by your flute. So Krishna said that why you're here, because it's in the night, and then your husbands will be worried that where are you in the night in the forest, and there's lots of animals, and there's creepers, and there's lots of wild animals. So the gopis started crying, and then Krishna said, okay, let's just go and dance. So they all were doing the rasa dance with all the gopis. And then Krishna was dancing with each gopi. He had his own form and he was dancing. Then the gopis felt a little proud that Krishna is only with me, because they did not realize that every Krishna was with every gopi. So every gopi thought that. So Krishna left all the gopis and he took Radharani in a second place. Now Radharani was tired, and then so Krishna and Radharani were separately dancing. They were dancing together, and then also Radharani got a little proud that, okay, like she got a little proud, and she was thinking that, okay, at least I get to dance separately with Krishna. All these gopis are like unfortunate. So Krishna left also Radharani, and then in the meantime, these gopis, they were crying and they were asking all the trees, and they sang the Gopi Geet, and then they were playing the pastimes of Radha and Krishna. Then they started walking, and they found the footprints of Srimati Radharani and Krishna. So they already knew it was the footprints of Radharani and Krishna. So they started following. And then they saw Radharani crying at one place. They asked, why are you crying? Then she said that Krishna left me, and I was like dancing with Krishna. So then the gopis and Radharani started like started walking and asking, and they were crying, and then finally they gave up, and then they said, Krishna, where are you? We are trying to find you. Please don't do this. So then Krishna was at the bank of Yamuna, and then he appeared there, and then the gopis, Radharani found Krishna, and then they started dancing the rasa dance.
Very nice, Karima. Balavrinda also won. Yes, Balavrinda, and then we can start, okay?
I'm reading from the book, so it might take.
How long it takes time? Maybe it may take. Can you say the first story, short story?
Okay, so I'll say my own words.
Yeah.
So the rasa dance, so it only has like 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, it takes time.
Yeah, 2.
I, 4 page. It will take time. You can say your own word.
Okay. So one day so in the full moon on a nice full moon night in the fall, Krishna was decorated himself very lovely, and it was smelling nice, and there was a full moon. And then what happened is he was playing his flute, and then he was playing his flute, and then what happened is
Then Gopi heard the sound of the flute, yes?
yeah,
They
they
were
heard the sound of
yeah.
the flute, and then what happened is, and they rushed to find.
They left everything in home. They left their, yeah, that's what. And they go to meet Krishna.
Yeah, and they rushed and they find him. They hearing swinging, and then they found the footprints, and they followed the footprints, and then they went to Radharani, and they saw Radharani, and then they asked Radharani, do you know where Krishna is? He was just right here. And then what happened is they went somewhere else, and then Krishna came. Because they were singing Gopi Geet prayers when they're going. And then Radharani also came with them. And then what happened is Krishna could not handle his form. So then he came out of his form, and then Krishna was standing there.
Yeah, thank you so much. I will say one small story related to this, but it happens in Jagannath Puri, okay? I think you all heard this story. Jagannath Puri, how one devotee, Lord Jagannath likes so much this Gopi Geet. He liked to hear from his pure devotee, And one time his devotee, she is very from low caste, and then she is very poor. And the priest, they don't let her to come in the temple, but she wanted to sing Gopi Geet for Jagannath. And every evening she used to sing this Gopi Geet. And what happened, and every day she used to sing for Jagannath, and Jagannath, he used to left his temple and go to that lady's house, that girl's house, to hear this pastime. And then like that, he used to listen every day that Gopi Geet from that lady. She was very purely, very by heart she was singing, And one day what happened? And the Pujari saw in Jagannath body all the mud, everything dirty, everything the team or were there in the cloth, and then not only one day, so many times they saw what happened to Jagannath. We made him sleep, and then after coming back every morning when they saw in Mangalarti, all the dark cloth is dirty, what happened to this Lord Jagannath cloth. They were looking, they want to find out what is happening, and they make Jagannath sleep, and then they were hiding from the side what is happening, where Jagannath goes in the night, and then they were hiding from the side, and then the girl started singing the Gopi Geet, and Jagannath is following that lady, where the lady is singing. He is going from the field to one field to another field, like that he was going, and then he go there and he listened the Gopi Geet song, and he come back like that, and they were all surprised. All the priests, they become very surprised. Oh, Jagannath like that ladies, that girls, yes, girls that sang, singing, and then they went there. They brought that lady, and they allow her to come in the temple every day, means this Gopi Geet is very nice. Lord Krishna will be very happy, and the gopis are the pure devotees of Lord Krishna. They are the highest devotee of Lord Krishna. Nobody is like gopis. We'll tell other stories in next week class. Okay. We have so many stories about related to the gopis. If you know also, you can share. Okay, from next week everyone have a chance to share. Now we have almost time to go our class. What happened? Okay, we'll learn today. Today we will only learn one sloka. Okay. You can repeat. We will go to like how we used to do word by word, and then we go to the translation, and then we will learn this sloka. Okay. Gopya ucha, Gopya ucha. Gopi said.
Gopi
said,
Then we repeat. Jayati is glorious.
Jayati is
glorious.
Te your.
Your
Adhikam exceedingly.
Adhikam accidentally.
exceedingly.
Janma by the birth.
By the birth.
By the birth.
Braja, the land of Braja. Shreyate is residing.
Residing.
Indira Lakshmi.
Indriya, the Lakshmi, the goddess of
Fortune. Sasvata. Sasvata. Perpetually.
Saswata perpetually.
Atra here.
Here.
He indeed.
He indeed.
Dahita, O beloved.
Daita, O beloved.
Drishyatam. May you be seen.
May you be seen.
Drishyatam, may you be seen.
may be seen.
Diksu in all directions.
Dikshu in all directions.
Tavakaha, your devotees.
Your
Toi, for your sake.
For your sake.
Trita, sustained.
Sustained.
Asavaha, their life heirs.
Asavaha, their life heirs.
Swarm for you.
Come for you.
Vichinvate, they are searching.
Vichinvate, they are searching.
Okay, translation, we can see. Translation, you can also repeat.
Can
The Gopi.
Subhadra say?
Yes, Subhadra, go ahead.
The gopis said, "Oh beloved, your birth in the land of Braja has made it exceedingly glorious, and thus Indriya, the goddess of fortune, always resides here. It is only for your sake that we, your devoted servants, maintain our lives. We have been searching everywhere for you, so please show yourself to us."
You can see how Gopi and they are praying to Krishna. Yes, they were disappearing from the rasa dance. They were, that's what Garima, Jahnavi, Vrinda were telling that story. Yes, and Gopi is calling to Krishna, please come and reside here. And they were saying, Krishna, where Krishna born? Krishna, they were thinking Krishna is birthplace is actually Mathura, but the all gopis knew he born in the Nanda Maharaj and Yashoda Braja. And this place is very glorious, you know, all the, also if you go and see Chinta Mani Prakara, if you know that Brahma Samhita slokas translation, it says like same thing. Chinta Mani Prakara Satmasu Kalpa Vriksha Lakshmi Saharsa Satasamrama Sebhyamanam. So many Lakshmi, they reside in Vrindavan, you know, so many Lakshmis, they are serving to Krishna. It is only for your sake that we, your devoted servants, all the gopis, they were the pure devotee of Lord Krishna. And they only maintain their life for the sake of Krishna. They don't have any other motive. And they are looking everywhere. In this verse, it says like that, okay? Okay, you all can repeat after me. Gopya Usa Jayati Tedikam
Jayati Tedikam
Janmana Braja
Janmana Braja
Jayati Tedikam
Jayatidikam
Janmana Braja
Janmana Braja
Reyata Indira
Reyata Indriya
Reyata Indira
Reyata Indriya
Kaswadatrahi
Kaswadatrahi
Reyata Indira
Reyata Indriya
Kaswadatrahi
Kaswadatrahi
Jayati Tedikam Janmana Braja
Jayati Tedikam Janmana
Raja
Reyata Indira Saswadatrahi
Reyata Indriya
Daita Dasyata Iksu Tavakas Daita Dasyata Daita Dresyatam Iksu Tavakas Daita Dresyatam Troidrita Swastam Visinvate one by one way. Toidrita Sabas Visinvate what?
Can I try saying this?
1 second. Tvaidrita sabas tvam visinvate tvam visinvate dayita drishyata sutavakas tvaidrita svastvam visinvate. Okay, from the beginning. Jai Gopya Ucha Jayati Tedikam Everyone. Jayati Tedikam Shreyata Indira Shaswadatrahi Daita Drishyata Daita Drishyata Vaidrita Savas Tvam Visinvate
Mataji, you did it. Mataji,
Yes.
you didn't say Dikshitavakas and I didn't hear you say Janmana Vraja. I didn't hear you say it.
What?
I didn't.
What, Subhadra? What did you say?
Mataji, could you please say the third line again?
Oh, okay, I will do one time again. Tvaidrita Savas Tvam Visinvate Okay.
Can I try going?
Gopya Ucha
Gopya
Jayati Tedikam
Jayati Manavraja
Jayata Indira Saswadatrahi Daita Drishyatam Diksutavakas Tvaidrita Savas Tvam Visinvate Okay, one more time, last, okay? Gopya Ucha Jayati Tedikam
Janmana Vraja
Shreyata Indira Saswadatrahi
Jayata Indira Saswadatrahi
Daita Drishyatam Diksutavakas
Daita Drishyata
Tvaidrita Savas Tvam Visinvate Okay, you can all raise the hand one by one and practice. Okay, Jan, go ahead.
Gopya Vasha
Ucha.
Jayati Tedikam Janmana Vraja Shreyata Shayat Indriya Saswata
Atrahi.
Saswata Atri Dayatadrishtitam Desutavakas
Drita Savas
Svam
Visinvate.
Vichinvate.
Thank you, Janvi. Yeah, Subhadra. Yeah, go ahead, Subhadra and Giridhari. Subhadra, Giridhari, can you say?
Okay, Mataji. Gopya Ucha Jayadite Dikam Janmana Vaja Shayata Indriya Saswadatrahi Daita Drishyatam Dikshutavaka Dvaidita Savas Tam Vichinvate. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you so much, both of you. Prahlad, can you go next?
Okay, Mataji. Gopyocha Jayatadidikam Janmana Vraja Shrayata Indriya Shashwadatrahi Dayata Drishyatam Dikshutavakat Tvayadrishtasavas Tvam Vichinvate.
Dvaidrita. Yeah.
Drita Savas.
Drita Savas. Tvam Visinvate. Thank you. Next is, yeah, Samskriti. Go ahead.
Gopya Ucha Jayatate Dikam Janmana Vraja
Shreyata Indira.
Shrayata Indriya Shashwadatrahi
Daita Drishyata.
Dikshutavakas Tvai Drita Savas Tvam Vichinvate.
Thank you. It's very nice. Next is, who is there? Garima. Garima, can you say? Are you there, Garima? Anybody? Devina, do you want to try? Who is there?
Okay, Mataji.
Yes.
Gopya Ucha Jayati Tedikam Janmana Vaja Shravata Indira Sashwada Atrahi Dayata Drashyatam Dikshutayaka Daidrata Savastam Vichinvate.
You will get slowly when we every week when we repeat this sloka, you will get easily. Everyone will get easily. Anybody else remaining who want to try? Otherwise, we can end the call. Balavrinda, do you want to try?
Mataji, can I go?
Yes.
Yes, Mataji, I can try.
Yeah.
After Balavrinda, can I go, Mataji?
Yes.
Okay.
Gopya Ucha
Gopya Ucha
Jayati Tedikam
Jayati Dedikam
Janmana Braja
Janmana Vaja
Rayata Indira
Jayata Indriya
Saswadatrahi
Yashvadatai
Daita Drishyata
Daita Rishtata
Diksutavakas
Dikshutavata
Tvaidrita Sabhas
Dairvitavata
Tvaidrita Sabhas Tvam vichinvate. Thank you. Sudevi, do you want to try? Giridhari, go ahead.
Yeah, can I go, Mataji? Okay.
Yes.
Gopya Ucha Jayate Tedikam Janmana Vaja Srayata
Shrayata Indira.
Jayata Indriya Sasvatatrahi Daivati Dikshatam Daivita Dikshatam Dikshatadvakash Trahi Dikshatvash Tam Vichitvate. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Tvaidrita Savas Tvam vichinvate. Sudevi, do you want to try? Sudevi Jagadish or Vaishnavi, who is there? Anybody want to try? Karima, before we end the call? Anybody? Okay, thank you so much. We will practice next week also. Now we can end the call. Vancha kalpa tarvesha karpa sindhu bevacha patitanama pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namah. Ananta koti vaishnavrinda ki jai. Thank you so much all the kids for
Mataji
joining.
ki jai.
Hari bol.
Mataji ki jai. Hari bol.
Hari bol. Thank you all the kids for joining.